Welcome everyone. My name is Simon Roy and I will be your host for this virtual client solutions tour. Today we're going to tour our facilities and our services, and you're going to meet our passionate teams throughout the exercise. So right behind me you have the remote access or remote monitoring services, but we're going to touch upon spare parts, field services, training, online training, and in the future we're going to touch the digital services and connected technologies and connected equipment. So let's go in and meet some of our team members. All right, we just entered what we call our help desk with the reduced team that we have on site right now. We have 3 team members, but more than half the team is working remote at this point in time. So when a customer has challenges with his equipment and facing some issues, then this is where the calls are entering. And I'd like to invite with me JP. Please join me, and I've got a couple of questions for you. First of all, at the help desk, a lot of customers will call in with their challenges. So can you explain and tell us more about the challenges they face and how we proceed with the troubleshooting?
Well, when a customer calls in or emails us, there's a ticket that's created. Tickets are updated as the case progresses, and emails are sent out every time to inform the client or clients or group of people.
We inform them on the status?
On the status of the ticket, on the progress, and on the next possible steps that we need to make. And from there, we work towards a resolution with the client, and until basically it's resolved or we need to send parts or a technician. At this point, it goes out.
Then it goes out to the team, the rest of the team, as needed. We have a lot of metrics that we follow on a daily basis and a weekly basis. Can you explain a little bit what we're following as a group here?
Well, we try to track how much time it takes for us to complete a ticket, how long it takes for us to answer a ticket, a new one that comes in. We do track urgencies differently than regular calls because down clients are considered a little more important. We categorize them differently as well, so we can treat them quicker and be a little more focused on those tickets first.
JP, we've been using some newer tools to help resolve some cases quicker. Can you tell us a little bit about the benefits of these tools?
Our virtual assistance tool helps us find issues more quickly and being able to communicate issues with the client easier. It also allows us to almost be on site immediately and solve problems a lot quicker than just over the phone or by email.
Thank you very much, JP, for this insightful information. This is where the magic happens, this is where the challenges occurs, and this is where the team is dispatched to help you guys out. All right, let's now go meet with the parts team, a very, very important team in the services we offer. But before we get in and meet some of our teammates, some important pointers. You should always keep on your shelves a number of parts, and please feel free to use our expertise to design the list that is specifically designed for you. And lastly, OEM parts, they were carefully selected from the design of the equipment, so you should always go back to the OEM to have the right parts. Let's go meet our team. All right, we're now in the heart of the parts team, and I'd like to introduce a few of the teammates that interact with you. Fenna, Tommy, Luke here on my right side, and then Guillaume, which is the Director of Logistics and Distribution. So I got a quick question for you, Luke. When requests come in, how do we proceed and how can we be reached here at Premier Tech?
Well, you know, we're open from 8 a.m. till 8 p.m. All right, so we're available by email. Send us an email at parts. We'll look at your request, process your order, find the parts for you, and do what we need to do to get that out. At the same time, you can call us by phone, even go on our website. You know, there's a 5% extra discount when you go on our website. So take advantage of that, send your request through there. Again, we'll process your order, find the parts that you need, and get it shipped out to you at your facility.
Thank you very much, Luke. Thank you. All right, we just entered Zone 89 where we test the products of our customers. We're going to talk to you about field services, upgrades, and retrofits with some of our guys. All right, I'm here with Daniel, and we're going to talk to you about field services. At Premier Tech worldwide, we have a team of over 225 service and INC engineers or technicians, and in North America, over 100. So I have a question for you, Daniel. What kind of skills do we have within our teams?
Our technicians have different set of skills, different expertise that goes from mechanical, electrical, programming, and robotics that will cover your needs. After each service visit, our technician will produce a complete service report with action taken, parts, maintenance recommendation, potential upgrades to ensure that you've been taken care of.
In addition to what Daniel has shared with us, we have numerous different programs, including Year One, and to ensure the life cycle of the equipment is taken care of. So feel free to contact us to get more details. All right, guys, one of the hot topics at Client Solutions is upgrades and optimization on our equipment. I'm here with Jean-Luc and Olivier to talk to you about the process itself. So, Jean-Luc, first, what is the process when a request comes in? How do we process it?
So the request usually comes from one of our sales representative or a technician on site, and the project we work on can be line modification, a parts that is obsolete on your equipment, or you want to increase the rates of production. And my role is to gather all the information regarding that retrofit, and then I transfer all the information to our engineering department, and then I produce a proposal.
And to conclude, we take care of everything from the request to the end of the installation. We have a dedicated project manager for you guys, so just send your requests, test us, you will be more than happy and impressed by our services.
Well, thank you very much, guys. Very insightful. All right, everyone, we're now in our one of our in-class training center in Canada. I'm here joined with Philip, who is the leader of the technical training team. So Philip, tell us a little bit more about your team and the process behind training.
Of course. So at Premier Tech, we have a team dedicated to build technical training for a client. So in our team, we were able to recruit some of the best field service technicians that are dedicated to carry out these training sessions, but also we're surrounded by former teacher, technical reader, really learning experts that are working closely with engineer and field service technician to just gather all that technical knowledge and be able to package it in a way that will be easy to understand for your team members, for our clients. So when we provide technical training to our client, a huge format is that we actually go at client site to perform the training agenda in class and around the equipment, so people can really get a feel of the equipment, of the different adjustments we want to teach them, and that we can assess hands-on their learning.
So Philip, everybody understands the in-class and around the equipment, but are we thinking of the future? So are we going online?
Yes, we are, Simon, going online. So there's two ways we're going online right now. First off, we're building our e-learning portfolio. So online courses that you can follow from your home or the comfort of your workplace to learn more about the way to operate and maintain our equipment. And the second things we're doing is that we're building PT live training. So we know that there's some added value to have a live trainer to answer all of your questions. So we are building courses that you'll be able to follow also remotely, but with a dedicated trainer through our webinar platform.
Very exciting stuff. Thank you very much. Since the last several years, we've been working on refining our client experience model, which we call the driver. On my left side right here, we have the wall of what we call the wall of fame, which highlights great actions that our teammates have done with our customers. Customers take the time to highlight these great actions because they made a difference within their production lives. At the end of the day, our teammates make the difference in the experience you will feel with us. I sure hope that in this virtual tour you were able to feel the passion within our own teams. Please send your requests through any channels that you feel. We're here 24/7. Our reason of being is to serve you. Thank you and have a great day.